We all get into arguments from time to time. It just happens that way. The important thing is to be able to get out of them, so that our conversations can lead somewhere useful more often. To locate the root of the problem, we need look no further than our amygdala. Those little almond-shaped things in our brains that produce the chemical messengers that create the feelings that tell us that something is going wrong out there. To fix this, and therefore the argument that we're taking part in, we need to do a little first aid on the conversation, or more precisely, on the brains of the people in the conversation. But how? There are 3 steps. Step 1. Press the pause button on the action by calling out what's happening. This conversation isn't really working for me. I think we're arguing now. Step 2. Decide who needs help first. If I think I'm feeling worse than you, relatively speaking, I need to explain what I'm feeling and thinking. I'm getting worried about where this conversation is going. However, if it's you who seems to be coming off worse, then I need to pay attention to you and what you are feeling and thinking. You sound frustrated that I haven't changed my mind. Step 3. Say it in the fewest possible words and then pause. The pause is not just for dramatic effect. The silence gives our poor chemically confused brains the chance to make sense of what's just been said. So why do these simple words work so well? Emotions help us to make sense of the world. They're also designed for communicating important messages to ourselves, to the people around us, and to the world out there in general. Our brains will keep on producing emotion messages until the system gets some proof that they are no longer required. So as soon as we have told the truth about our own feelings, our brain chemistry settles down. The same also happens if we think someone has really listened to us. So, if you want to turn an argument into a discussion, look out for the signs. Direct your attention to whoever is having the most feelings, and then respectfully call them out. And don't forget to pause, to let everyone's brain catch up. I'm Paul Fury, and that was How to Turn an Argument into a Discussion.